What's up, members? Welcome back to the channel. So looking at the Gemini portfolio, this is crypto only. We are almost at $7,000, $69.64 right now. In the last year, we've been dollar cost averaging in. You can see here, December 2024, we really started building the position and we started just dollar cost averaging mainly into XRP and ETH. XRP is 56% of the portfolio. It makes up $3,900. ETH 36%, around 2569 invested. We have a little bit of Bitcoin that we are starting to build, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to eventually start adding Solana when we get a chance. We've had some rewards, so I appreciate you guys using the referral link. That is awesome. You guys get $75, I get $75, and I've had a few recruitments that I've done, so I've gotten $220 with Bitcoin, so I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. And you start Gemini and dollar cost average in long-term plan. I'm really looking for ETH to pull back a little bit. When I click on ETH, you can see we're trading at 41.60 at the time of this recording, and right now we almost have one ETH. We have a total value of $2,500 invested. Our average buy price is around, let's see if it shows on this, is around, let's see here, 14 buys. It doesn't show it, but I believe we are purchased in the $2,200 to $2,300 range for this. So overall, I'm going to continue buying this. When I look at the monthly chart, it was trading up around 4,700. Looking at the 1 year, as long as I'm buying anywhere below 4,000, I'm going to continue just dollar cost averaging in. No problem with that. When I look at XRP, my goal is to build this position up as much as I possibly can. Anything under $2.80 for me is a buy. Here's my average buy price, $2.33 on XRP. So we're up a little bit on that. And in the last year, it's really day traded from $2.15 up to about $3.42. I'm going to continue building this position. And we just do $100 every single week buying into these. And I really want to get a position into Solana. Solana is something that I think is worth looking into. So looking at Solana right here, we can see Solana's trading at $212 per share. I'm definitely interested in adding this, but right now on the 1 year chart, it was down to $105 per share, trading as high as $240 per share. If I get a pullback maybe to about like 170, 160, I'll start to be interested. I'm gonna give Solana some time. Let's see if we can get a pullback. I wanna be patient with these guys. I don't have any share position in them. And when you go to the all-time chart, you can see they traded up as almost as $300 per share, trading as high right here, 260. That seems to be the rejection point. You want to be patient with crypto. I dollar cost average into these, but that's the main holdings I'm going to do. I'm going to do Solana. I'm going to look for more ETH position, more XRP. And right now with the referrals, I'll continue to buy Bitcoin when I have more referrals. So I appreciate you guys tuning into that. And AMP and Shiba were just, max 1 to 2% portfolio holds, just to own a little bit of them, but it's not much. I just want to point out with Gemini, something that I've noticed is when you're trading, you just got to be very careful. When you're buying Bitcoin or ETH or XRP, if you set up the automatic buys, you get charged a lot of fees. So make sure when you do this, you go under the top right and you do, the trading view, not simple to use, because they'll charge you a higher percentage just to make the trade. So Gemini, you just got to be cautious of that and make sure that when you're buying, you're not, paying the excess fees. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, which is awesome. And members, you got first access to this video. So I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. If you're not sure what that is, check on the membership. You can get access to videos like this. You can buy these 5 funds for the ultimate 30-year wealth building, members first. There's Mastering VWAP, the dip buying strategy, a bunch of members only videos that you gain access to when you support the channel, Trading Simplified. And please check out the WAP if you haven't already. You can check that out. You can become a YouTube member to gain access to that. And there is a free Discord. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you next time.